Good morning, guys, and welcome back. And you can see the birds are out already. I actually woke up early today, and the young birds are. I let them out like at 5 a.m. today. The weather was super cool, and what I'm going to do is I'm letting them out daily on the same time because I have more time to get ready and they have more time to fly. So yeah, I'm really happy with their performance today. They really flew well today. Like this one and that blue bar and that blue bar and this one. I let them out at like 5:10 a.m. with my older birds, but the older birds like took only 10-20 minutes and came back. But then the real magic started to happen. They started flying like in that direction, and then they gathered up with another flock and started going like in that direction. Then they were moving like the whole way there. They actually traveled I think across the whole village or the whole area, maybe a whole area because I was not able to see them. And yeah, like it when I saw them coming back, it was already 35 minutes of their flight. And both of them, this one and that blue bar, they were like chasing another adult pigeon. And like it was exact at 40 minutes when these three, the two blue bar and the mealy bar, landed here. And the blue checkered, I'm definitely sure that's a girl, so she headed back in that direction and completely disappeared. I literally thought I lose her, but what happened was like I took out my car, I went to the city. I was going to get two peacocks chick. Yeah, I got two peacocks today. Maybe I can show you guys sometime. So yeah, I let them out. Look, someone's flock is flying here. So when I came back, it was at like 6:45. So it's 45 and 50, like 100, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and exact 1.5 hour later she came back. When I parked my car and came outside, I saw her circling the house. The good thing was few of my older birds were out, so she landed right here. And yeah, that's how I trapped her. I let my older birds out and she came back straight in. So I'm really happy with their performance. I'm really happy with their performance. They are getting the stamina up, and with stamina, the good thing is they are getting used to the area. So the farther they go, the better it is when I start tossing them. So yeah, that's it. I'm letting them out for today. The whole day I'm going to feed them, and I let them out. Wow, the mama is up. Let's see the chicks too. Look at these little fellas. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.